The Murideo Fox Hound is not just your average HDMI troubleshooting tool. It is a powerful and versatile device that supports a wide range of resolutions, including 8K, 4K, 1080p, and 720p. This means that whether you're working with the latest cutting-edge displays or more traditional HD setups, the Fox Hound has you covered. One of the standout features of the Murideo Fox Hound is its ability to handle high-resolution signals. This ensures that you can accurately test and analyze HDMI performance across various devices and resolutions, giving you the confidence and peace of mind that your system is functioning optimally. Whether you're an AV professional setting up a state-of-the-art home theater, a broadcaster dealing with high-resolution video feeds, or simply a tech enthusiast wanting to ensure your devices are working flawlessly, the Fox Hound is the ultimate tool to meet your needs. Not only does the Fox Hound support a wide range of resolutions, but it also offers an array of advanced features to simplify your troubleshooting process. Its signal generator unit, known as the Fox, allows you to send custom test patterns, including video and audio signals, to the signal analyzer unit, or the Hound. This enables you to simulate real-world scenarios and assess how the HDMI signal performs as it traverses through different components and cables. In summary, the Murideo Fox Hound stands out as an exceptional HDMI troubleshooting tool, offering support for a wide range of resolutions, including 8K, 4K, 1080p, and 720p. With its ability to handle high-resolution signals, advanced features, user-friendly interface, and compatibility with various HDMI devices, it is the ultimate investment for those seeking fast, accurate, and efficient testing and troubleshooting of HDMI systems. For further information, contact us with these details.